Lingba ka program ai jing sumar bat ai dawai a lani ka free medical camp kabala sedang na du khan rutrek bat penkut pat khan yutrek nai tung arjar fly hamarai ka fan hima sora paj ba ki bale shimchik sumar kli yomat ya grukom sumar tenrai na ki doktor kari South Korea kata dak ba shudong de terniak sni do bat hiki benta ba pang jo met bat yo jing koj bat jing aram na ki jing pang met yakani ka medical camp la penlong da ka chingi trailang preng ka hayang esup corporation ha ka chingi lam ka han esup general director Midong but WFC na South Korea, Kaborahi Foundation na India, Kadibrugar Medical College Assam, Akjingelam Khamat Angshuman Handik, Public Activity Planner of Northeast India, Lem Kadar Bashnong Marai Kapon, Akjingelam Uba Ethelbert Sawian, Kumurang Bashnong. Kini Kunhun na South Korea, Kilay Trailang la Kumba Kharars na Miyay Manta Northeast India, but Ajing Krishan Ru Ikina Pulie. Kidonri kina pulie ba doktor na Dibrugar Medical College ki bayra banong ginong paglaktian bar snotho nakaktian Korea shi ki way pa shektian kamtam kaktian English hadin bala penkut ye medical camp la donru program peniriti dostur tenrai nakaliang katrobas nong marai ka phon bat kumchu nakaliang ki doktor na Korea la sakhi chingi soy memorandum of understanding ban ye beteng biang ki kam nang ni shikman hapadeng katrobas nong bat corporation na South Korea hakni ka program lawan bay don langdu Davis and Marak DIG Eastern Range kumukungsan hakabagila donru kiching rawai ba kiching shat.
Actually, they have been doing this program in Assam for around 12 years. So that's how we met there. So once he'd come to Shillong for some vacation, and there he planned to that next year he'll be doing a program like this in here. So we took permission from the village people here. So they allowed us to make a camp here. So that's how we came to know about this place. And both the parties were interested. We have Indian doctors from Assam Medical College as well as Korean doctors who treat in Oriental medicines. So they are doing acupuncture, and and the Indian doctors are treating general diseases. We've been here from 14th, and our camp has started from 15th to 17th, 3 days camp. Since this was the first time, so the turnout was less than we expected. But I guess from next year we'll find more people coming to the camps.
So basically we got introduced to Korean language from Dibrugarh University, where Mr. Lee and his organization came for the introduction language. And from there he has introduced us to this camp. And that's how we got to know about the doctors and this camp. Starting from 12 years, no. So they have a small NGO at first. So they started through NGO, and now they want to join globally. So they got interested in this Assam, India Northeast sections, and they joined. That's how they got to know about Meghalaya, and they came here to do the services and all, and they feel good. And they feel very good. Even though this is the first time, they are very much interested and they feel very happy, and they want to come again and do this service again. The name of the NGO, the foundation is Hangasuk Corporation. So from them they have come here to join. They have since they have been doing this program, so they got to know and came here as a visit to travel and all. And through Angshuman also, since they are friends through Mr. Angshuman, so they got to know about this place, and they are very much happy that they came here and did the medical camp, and they are very much happy and feel very good with the people here. They are very interacting, and they like it very much.
Yes.
We have a very huge line over here.
Yes.
Before even coming us, that there was a line over here. So they are very much interested, and I feel they give a very good feedback about the acupuncture also.
Okay.
Mostly acupuncture is about it's done in Korea. So it's a traditional medicine or therapy session, but they put needles kind of things in the point, acupuncture point. There are acupuncture point in our body, and wherever they feel uncomfortable, they use this for the blood circulation, for the circulation of blood, and that's how they relieve the treatment is done.
Therapy.
It's a therapy sessions for the blood circulations and all. So it's kind of we don't know much basically, but that's a basic idea of acupuncture.
And the traditional
it's a traditional method of treatment. They do study MBBS also. That's a doctorship done. That is done in our traditional doctors. in Korea, they perform this. It's like a relaxing technique. Like if you have any pain or something, they will just put the acupuncture points, needles in the point, like acupuncture point wherever they are feeling uncomfortable or pain. So that's how it's done.
여기를 처음 알게 된 건 우리 이기석 선생님 프렌드 친구고 좋은 활동을 많이 하신다는데 관심이 있었고 우리 작은 단체지만 연관이 있어서 제가 또 이 메갈라야 여기 이곳에 참 사진을 보고 감동을 했어요. 그래서 꼭 한번 와보고 싶었는데 와보니 너무 아름답고 비는 많이 오지만 그 또한 아름답고 그리고 이런 나눔과 의료봉사 이걸 하면서 어떤 오히려 감사함을 느끼겠더라고요. 그래서 더 이게 더 커지고 지속적으로 서로 교류가 됐으면 참 좋겠어요.
Discuss with I think Ansuma, and he informed me that by July we will be organizing health campaign Sohra Serapunji. So by this I came to know, and with me we have 4 doctors, all 4 from Assam Medical College, and Yam Sam, he's from Meghalaya.
Paningkong kalong bang ako ban ay kublay ma yakini ki doktor na Korea namat yakini boro maki ka sponsor maki organization maki ki sponsor maki na dong sedong ma boro kanya dia ngai kublay rumah kini kisini cuma na EMC long ngade doktor orang supas na di Burga ma Assam Medical College dia ngasapun kisini cuma tu sini omba kadon ko ka campaign ko ki ko organize ko seorang ti ki dong kam beriu belum lokal ki ma beri kasih dah dia tong-tong sawan motor dia hantu marnai tu hak menikong akram das tu tawa bagi zona Korea kuno kipeniat yang marwa tu program ini orang kotor Korea kum satu era tak ada dia hadin pemning lawan hangni ngalai syam bagi kibro bai bha boro anto dia kalau kini mau kai bang aku banwan hangni yang beri free mereka kam long yang ini kibriau jungi para khasi am long kum kini ki lahat di banyo kum kini ki kum kini ki methods kum kini ki jing kini style bona Korea mah kini medical methods Korea ni kini kalau kecing mundur sisa ni kini ngimla mundur punya kini ki acupuncture ibani pulir orang berjinjar punya kini am tak tahu dia ningkong masuk observe so kalau kuno mah dia kagian ke bangalap deh ba ke bakile kini dia kaya rap sisa mah dia ka feedback ke bangiyo neki rupat ba kalau ko bha mentah long ye kini ki papang met pang phat mari ke dong jing kha ka met ki jinjar bu ki ni tu kon met tu phat ti ki ni pha su ni ka pang cha kan ti ule mu ba style jungu long ngam danang ban batai pha mo lang along doktor ni kini ngam do stu thandra ni kini ki jing pang ba ki bolong common ki bolong kom pau sini kom ni ai mangi ka wai to ti ta kini jing pang bolong ba tha mini ba tha ka met ka phat ki papang kini ka met ka phat i bro to ti ki lai yarap to ba feedback kan ta kan bo pha Wah, ada mekanisme, kita mekanisme tengah das tuhan kan, kumta. Dia ngasungu orang long kini kalau mentang kita sedang keberit, mah. Kini kalau kasin benikong dua, long balik kini kan manusia post ni manusia kelawan ada kat lain kan, ke I check up. Dia mentapat kelawan rak kini long keberit. Dia hadin kenang he kenang yoris bigi cakap mah, kumta. Dia mentar kini kita mungkin seli saya asam, kita sepuluh saya asam kerjam, kita sebut kerja, Guwahati. Kalau kita mengajar itu kan.
Yang ni kumu orang Basnong jong ka dorba mereka pun aku bede kene ka free medical camp berawan da ka NGO organization na po South Korea dekat ba ka jinga trilang jong ki doktor ke dibrukar Assam ko hati timta la kumba sistem yang ba jong wen expert ba jini badan hal yang kene jong ba level dar lang nomor idon perlu jingi bede we planner jong kene ka free medical camp yang ba don ka jingtmu ban wan ai ka ka fir kam ko ka sno jingi mara ka pon te mador ni ngala ko ya ka extep committee me tausna daksen hum na jun te ngilong ki pala kloy ban pedang ka ka fir kam khamtam ka bede bakala ju sumar ka bawan ibana sabal jong kari te kane ka fir kam ka stang na do ka kasan tarik ben singi sajan bat ka kut men tagasngi te langba nama cat bakade kasin ke Baningkong sibul buli ke semua ni alat ke wan ya ka ni ka suman re wala kataru ngadu katu kasih basang hadu mentang kita hadu kembali pangut ki pesen bawan ban kala sumar nang baki jingpang ba peroper ka specialty ke bawah napok ka jong Turki mana napok Korea ada kini ke acupuncture. Pusat malah batai betul. Kamtang gitu badang gajing sistem ha kamek kapat popang nang rendang di budlum silki ksa ki jongki. Bar bade gade pang kini ki general disease. Tengi iba ha kini ki license ki brio jong kini ka thai kamtang gade pok kasnam ke jongi. Kaya sibun ka jing mentoy. Kamtang gitu dan wi kong level license menta jong gajing sistem. Ha ni pok rendang ke jongi. Dari sim dawai keleng-keleng imyo. Dari lamun balik biang men si Monday lamun biang slow. Dan baru bayu so gini ke kubur bana kaleng ke nomor ke pon. In dan kini ka terkenal kuntai lah. Wan ni wan ban persiang. Nganon ni su slow ngan wan bande ahme. Te istang men ha kasih sajan. But kalau on very next day bade wan ai ka kut message by la abad dia. Baro simir. Ya hadu iwan biang menen ke sengi hiru ban natai yang masuk tenang. Alat ya kini ka jengwan ke jungi. Teka Mendai tong mairu kita sekipe pat lu kirang ba nata gini samla boso gini ko kilawan ba kiyo si ka pun ke jito wat sekretari na mesta dale wa te la sena iru kila saban ban keli te andre ne jangdon susu gibrio kibatte dengan ka la mana ki jeka ke bakam sabaru kiwan tambah kalau ba susi kendat nomor ba kilawan derpor palat tengi ong wanuso ye mereka wala ka jumang pin rei ba pinong ketinggai Let's say kita isisno, let's say pinjam. Orang Hindu nak kaya kata kan, tidak.
Tubuh kai kata ka mentamo ke mengisi ibrobor kini jibriu jungi ikam duna belak kini free medical camp kim kabu kum kini gilak wonra nang bakas nong lani gilu ke NGO lani work sokaru wonra ikum kini camp kai bo pidon ban ong kumunong lam snong habai dei ba kini ban kentui pai ba kenang bakin wan syahmat ban sim kabu kum kini kijing yarap
Boros kata abadan kini ki free medical camp ki pai ba ki awan ni tang bak tanau ke jingwan ke jungki ke kamduna nomor ba ya kini ki jingpang ba per kila le ai jing sumar haki doktor ba per kam ta bini ki general disease dan re meta bade jaj ba ki wan gi bana bar ti khat mo make ke wan bar ba kenteng gi marka ju si kaju da se athai ki bre da se ki tong ina persang lo gi ki la jing ai doi ki ba na sabal na ta da se ki bre ki sem ya gani ka kabu banwan pha sumar ni wong i pimentan kalong pasti so sia la kamne tang apok aku persiaru gimi pa jing pang ru general disease wala tangin pat wat nel akli na ki doktor ni na po sam ban po Korea majat bakadi ka ban kong kim pala ban wan ra alot tenre kan sadon part ka MOU kani ka jing sign memorandum of understanding apdeng ka dorbasno maragapon rengkat bat kani ka NGO haba kan sadon kata ka jing atai ka bakin wan malau snap dan se hakini kisna gi bawan sisi gi bre kala yo slow ya kani ka kubur ka baba ka ki bre na ka ni ka thang ki yo ya kata kala ti sumar babiang de sikila man sawan biang la snap dalo baki wan ban ai kani ka jing sumar jing ai ya ki bre kan yo ka thang ka we ka jing thu jong kiru ki kwa ban pe gi jong jong kamariang ne po sorang ku ba sorang gi jongi long pauna na ka tourism tegene ka fast na ka ta jong ki yo ban pe ya ka thai sorai ji ba ko ek lawan ka tu ni gi jaka la kimia kimla ban don por ban plut nomor ka kamram ka main objective ji kalau ban ai ka jing sumar telesi ka jing wan ke jong ki kalau ban spread ji ka message of tourism ru support South Korea dan ni sekali dulu kita jaga mereka. Nasi dah belum tak nasi kita nak tak tahan tu kisawan tiang sini hagi di sana kita buat.